When you buy raw honey, that's what it's supposed to look like. But after a while, it crystallizes and it looks like that. Now, the best way I've found to re-liquify it is I got one of these West Bend slow cookers. It only takes the honey to about 110 to 115 degrees. You don't want to microwave it, you'll kill the organisms inside the honey. You don't want to boil it, you'll kill the organisms in it. And what I use the honey for is if you have sinus or hay fever and you buy local honey, it tends to lessen the effect of the hay fever or the sinus because you're constantly exposed to the honey that is in the local area that has the pollen. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it on this slow cooker, and it's on low, and I'm going to leave it there for at least 18 to 24 hours. And when we come back, this will look like that. Now, what I do is I've been pulling it out of here with a spoon and putting it over here because you can't, that whole thing, it will not liquefy because the temperature is too low, but you got to keep it low. By moving some of the honey from here with a spoon over to there, then you liquefy it. It will make it more palatable than when it's gritty. But when you get down to the point that it's almost gone, now I can liquefy that, and that'll be ready to go just like that. So at 3 hours, we've got a little bit of melt at the bottom. The rest of it is still pretty crystallized. Generally, it helps to give it a little shake to mix it up. And we'll check it in another 3 hours. Well, it's now the 6-hour point, and that's looking pretty good compared with that. The thing is, because it's only been 6 hours, what will happen is that it will immediately start recrystallizing. You have to heat it for a good long time, and that's generally 18 to 24 hours. Still got a little bit more in that corner. I want to get it all. There we go. So we're just going to let that set probably all evening, and it wouldn't hurt to set till tomorrow morning because you're only running at about 115 degrees, so it doesn't cook the honey. Just going to take a reading here. See, like I said, it's about 115, give or take. Well, it's now the next day, and that is looking really good. Looks pretty much like that. It's a process, you can't hurry it without damaging the honey. So now it's good for weeks until it decides to start crystallizing again. So anyway, that is how we do our honey when it starts to crystallize.